absolutely wonderful individuals. I just wanted to let you know I mixed up my glue and distilled water for my paint medium base to make my paints thinner, to make them pourable. I'm gonna move my stuff down to the ground for 2 seconds. So basically I went from my mini jar to a bigger jar. I went 1,000 grams. I went 60-40, so I did 60, so 600 grams of PVC glue to 400 grams of basically distilled water. I can think, I can talk at the same time. Isn't that like universal? So I just mix them up real well. I try to do it ahead of time so you don't have bubbles in there. If you're, why am I doing us? I never do that normally. So when you're doing videos to do paint pouring, I suggest doing this ahead of time. This will give me plenty of paint medium for a few projects in paint mixing. I've heard some individuals will do it 2-to-1 with their paint. Some will do it 50-50 with their paint. This one's very nice and thin and flowy. It's not holding bubbles because it is thin, but I still would give it time to settle just to make sure you have less bubblage in there. And you're good to go. You can mix it. So this is video 1 of my very first specific tutorials on how to prep. Oh, what you're gonna want to do too, take a cloth, rub right around here, because when I had it on the smaller jar, this lid fits on the small and the large jar. I can't find the large jar lid, but it works. You're gonna want to do this because a smaller jar, it is really hard to open, and if you're opening glue and you're fighting it, you don't want glue everywhere just coming out and saying, hello, I'm all over the place, because I am clumsy. So that does happen, that will happen, and my camera is doing that. You're dark. I have ring light, I have mini light shining at me, I have everything coming at me. What's going on? I don't know. Anyways, that's how you mix the paint medium. When I get into Floetrol, we'll go over Floetrol. I haven't decided to do Floetrol yet. It might be a while, but every video going forth that I make for canvas pouring, wood pouring, yes, I'm thinking trivets, hot plates, and I'm thinking coasters. I have to learn how to seal those properly so you don't have rings and melting and all that stuff. But yeah, no, I mean, this will be good to go to do all that. I hope this was helpful, and I hope you enjoy it. And these links, I'm going to create a tutorial playlist to make your life easy, and the tutorial playlist will be at the bottom of all the videos eventually as it grows. Take care, everyone. Glad I had a moment to tell you and teach you, because I'm still learning myself, so we're learning together.